First of all, thank you eVision for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself. I am Swanand Khot from Ichalkaranji, Maharashtra. I have completed my diploma in mechanical engineering from Government Polytechnic, Kolhapur. I have completed my bachelor's of mechanical engineering from Textile and Engineering University, Ichalkaranji in 2019. After that, I tried to get job in IT industry, but due to COVID pandemic, I am unable to do it. While scrolling on YouTube, I found one of the students' video from eVision. Then I searched and gathered information about eVision from their website and enrolled in their on-job training and internship program. In OJT program, I learned about different modules like network basis, CCNA routing and switching, Windows administration and cyber security from different trainers like Roshan sir, Bebushit sir, Rahul sir, Tarun sir, Sushant sir and Manu sir. In network basics, I learned about what is network, different types of network, based upon location, based upon area covered by network, based upon arrangement of layout. Technologies like CSMA CD, different types of devices used in network like NIC card, hub, switch, router, data modem. Different types of protocol used in network like DNS, DHCP, APIPA, POP3, IMAP, TCP, UDP. Different types of network media such as wired and wireless media. IP addressing, types of IP addressing, classes in IP addressing, basics of network security and proxy settings, basics of cloud computing and cloud, different types of cloud model, different types of network model such as OSI model, TCP/IP model, 7 layers of OSI, etc. In virtualization, I learned about how to create virtual machine using VMware, hypervisor, different types of hypervisor, type of virtualization. In CCNA module, I learned about IP address, private and public IP address, different class range of private and public IP, classless interdomain routing, subnetting of networks, different types of routing protocols such as static routing, dynamic routing protocol such as RIP, EIGRP, OSPF, DHCP configuration, access list control, HSRP configuration, network address translation, port address translation, different types of switching technologies such as VLAN, VTP, STP, IEEE standards of Ethernet cable. In cybersecurity, I learned about what is cybersecurity, types of cybersecurity, different types of hackers such as black hat hacker, grey hat hacker, white hat hacker, different types of password cracking, steps in system hacking, how to install Kali Linux and command used in Kali Linux terminal. At every weekend, there is PPT presentation and mock interview, which help us to find out our weaknesses and 100% get prepared for real-time interview. Now I am 100% confident that I will crack interview in first attempt and become valuable asset for an organization. Thank you.